Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to celebrate the Moon Festival. So let's get started. To draw this magical scenery, we need to draw a really big circle for our moon. So I'm just using this thing right here as my circle template. It's the biggest circle I could find. And I'm going to be using a Sharpie, but if you're at home, please use a pencil if you can, because you're going to need to erase the bottom. But I'm going to be using a Sharpie just so that you can see it a little bit better what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace a huge circle. There, that's our moon. Okay, so now that we have our moon, let's start at the bottom right here, and we're going to create some clouds to frame our moon right here. And so let's start right here at the bottom, and I'm just going to say about right here. Just draw some big curves, nice fluffy clouds. And I'm going to stylize them, what you kind of see in most of these Asian drawings here with these clouds. I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to come in, the little curve, come out, and come down. So we're just creating these little crevices. And sorry if that line's confusing, but I just want you to be able to see the circle and where we're starting. So just come about right here, and let's finish up this cloud. So nice and round, whatever shape cloud you want to make. We're going to come in once again, and then create another curve around. And about right here, we can just go ahead and connect to finish one cloud. Then let's come over here and say maybe about right here. Do the same thing. And we just want to put a bunch of clouds here at the bottom. So go up, maybe. We'll give this one a little tail. Let's see, right here. So like I said, you can draw them however you like. I really hope this inspires you. So then let's come over here. We want to fill up this space too. So let's put another one here. And go up, and let's see here. Come about right here, and then come in. Once again, do the same thing, come around. Let's make it a little bit rounder. And once again, let's come about right here. And out. And back in. And in for one. And we need one more here, right? So let's come about here, and we're going to start another one to fill up this space. So hopefully these clouds aren't too complicated. Just want to go around. If you're making a round shape and you want to continue another shape, you just go around, create. Right here, I'm going to go in and come out once again. Give it a little tail, come right back out. Make it a little bit fancier and connect. There. Okay, so like I said, it doesn't really matter how you make your clouds. You just want to kind of fill the bottom area. So then I'm going to come in here really quickly with my whiteout pen and white out this line. So that's why I wanted you cuties to use a pencil if you can at home, so that you can just go ahead and erase. So I'll do this really quickly. So now that we have our moon nicely tucked in our clouds, let's go ahead and draw our two little bunnies inside. So I'll come about right here, and I'll start with the first bunny. So about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and just start curve down. Kind of like an oval, but I'm just going to make it slightly sharper about right here where the nose would be. And come in. Then from there, I'm going to go up right here for some bunny ears. Go up, come down, and let's come back right here and pop out another one. and come in. Then from there, we're just going to imagine this curve is continuing. So we're going to come out the back of the head. So you're just creating this oval shape that's a little bit sharper right here for the nose area. Then from there, let's come about right here. And I'm going to draw little hands, come out of a curve, soft curve comes in, and then a little tummy. So big curve right there. And then this part where the head ends, then we're just going to come in a little bit more and then come out for the back. And then for the eyes, let's just come right here. And all we're going to do is draw a circle for the eyes. And shade it in there. So it's almost kind of like a silhouette. So then let's do the other, draw the other rabbit. So same thing, I'll say I come about right here. I'm just going to imagine another oval. So I'll just start about right here. Kind of meeting. You can have them meet if you want, but I'll just leave a little gap, and same thing, a little bit sharper right there, and come back in. Then let's see here, let's come back over here, draw ears just like the other bunny, come in, go out, and for this bunny, we're going to simplify it. No hand. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big curve that comes in. Then right here, just imagine this coming through. We're going to come right here and draw a curve for the back of our bunny. There. And then the eyes. So right here, just going to put another circle just like the other bunny and shade it in. There. Oh. And now to spruce it up, I thought it'd be really nice to add some lanterns over here. So if you want to do that, we can come about here, and I'll start on this corner. I'm going to just draw a very simple lantern to the top of our lantern. Let's come out about right there, and then I'm going to start to curve downwards. So just kind of these sharp curves. Come down, and same thing on the other side. Come straight down, just trying to match the other side and connect. There. And then let's see here at the bottom, we're going to do the same thing just like the top. And then let's come down the center, a little tassel. Let's give it a heart, of course. And then maybe a little circle, just trying to decorate it. And then more tassels at the bottom. And just give it some zigzags right there. And let's come up here. Well, you know what? Let's draw the other lantern first. So I'm going to come about right here. Just add another one. So just like that one, straight across, and we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing all the way down, right there, and so say about right here, and connect. And once again, same thing, we're going to draw the top, right across, and the bottom. And once again, the center, just draw this tassel, and of course another heart, however you want to decorate yours. Or you can even make them those circular kind of lanterns, it's all up to you. And like I said, I really hope this inspires you. And so now that we have that in, I thought it'd be really nice to break up the string, and right here we're just going to draw some bamboo leaves. So bamboo leaves are sharp. I'll just draw another one here and here. So, and then we'll just hang the rope from there. So same thing over here. Let's draw some bamboo leaves. And once again, go right here and hang a string down. And we can add some more leaves just to spruce it up if you like. And maybe one more here. So I'll come in here really quick to erase that line again. Hopefully I have enough of this whiteout ink. Kind of running low. There and here. Running low, yes, I know you kind of see a black line there, but hopefully you get the idea. And then I'm going to come in here now that I have that in, and I'm just going to come right across and connect these curves right across. So that's why I was trying my best to make them even across. Oops. Well, that one's kind of big. Oh well. So they're all done. I really hope you enjoy drawing this magical scenery with me to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival. And if you do celebrate this yummy and fun festival, I really hope that I inspired you to draw this and that it made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.